How to make money with CPA Grip in 2023. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you around CPA Grip platform and how you can use it to make money online in 2023. So let's get into it. Here you can see that this is the main page of CPA Grip. This is experience performance marketing with industry leading monetization tools. It has a content locker, it has a URL and file locker, it has a video locker, it offers vault and virtual currency. So the lockers basically help you to lock the content. Like if you want to send a video or a file to someone, you can lock it up, or you can publish it online, and then whenever a person is given the key to unlock it, they will only be able to access it that way. The theft of video content theft won't happen if you lock your content like that. So here you can see that this is basically the features of CPA Grip. It has full support staff, it has a dedicated payment team, it has go global directly, like you access it from anywhere in the world, and it has fast payments and best tools and technology. So the what you can do is basically you can either become a publisher and become an advertiser. So the publisher is basically a person who gives or who publishes their task or their marketing needs. For example, like you publish something, a form or something that you need to be fulfilled by as much persons as they can, as you get, you can basically allot some kind of money to it. For example, that whenever a person fulfills that form, he or she will earn $1 or $2 or something like that. This is how you become a publisher. Your content is going to be marketed, and people will basically help you to get more marketing, and people will help you to get more views, and they earn money in that way, and you get your views and you get your product marketed. You can become an advertiser, like if you want to advertise other person's products or other person's people and you want to earn money, you can earn it that way as well. So there are two options. So before anything, what you need to do is you have to log in or register. If you already have an account, you can just go on and simply log in. If you don't, then you can just go on and register. It is very simple. What you need to do is you have to give your email, your password. You can generate your you have to give your name, your place of settlement, etc., some details, and you're good to go. So let me just quickly get into the platform, and then I will get back to you guys. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of CPA Grip, and here you can see your today's revenue, like the money that you're gonna earn, and today's time is going to show itself here. You have this basic dashboard. Here are some tools, statistics and charts, monetization tools, offer tools, postback tools, referral program, payment center, and account settings and support, etc. So you can refer a friend and you can earn money that way as well. Publish a referral program, earn revenue from your friends. Whenever you refer a friend of yours on this platform and they join using your referral code, then you also get some kind of share from their earnings, and you get money and you can earn that way as well. So this is the dashboard. This is basically a chatbot. Here people are telling how much money they have made, and they are just randomly chatting with each other. You can also join the chat. It's very easy, like join John W is active right now, and this is a public chat, so you can just click on this option and you can continue. Click here to open the chat window, and you can chat yourself. And here you can see there is a settings that you can change that will enable the chat sounds, enable convert shout out, etc. Okay, so here you are going to see that this is basically account notices. This is the top breakdown. These are the top performing offers, and these are the recently added offers. So you can choose any one of them. For example, verify your PayPal. Payout is $13.48. So you can verify the PayPal for someone who is living in a country where it is not being it is not offered, or you cannot verify it. So to verify it for them, you are going to get 13.48 payout dollars as a payout. So there's a time Tilmel dig idag, etc., something. So this is also another one for verify your PayPal. So these are top performing offers, and here you can see they are all very pricey, and I cannot basically go on and read that, but it is cost paying you $12.31. So you can see the ones that you think you can do, so you can continue with that. Okay, so let me go on to the offer tools. Click on them and you're going to see an offer which says my offers. Just open that. Okay, so here are my offers. So you can now filter your offers with your country. Like for example, if you want the offers that are submitted in your country, you can basically go on and only check them out. Let's say I want the offers only in United States. The next category is you can basically filter out the categories that you want your offers to be in. Like for example, mobile install, pin submit, email zip submit, credit card submit, etc. So I want only mobile installs. Then you can see you can show stats or no stats. Let's say, wait for an example, show stats. Okay, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, whatever the stats are then gonna be for a specific requirement, the time requirement of all these specific offers. You can basically filter them out, or you can search any specific offer yourself if you want to. Okay, so all mobile plus computer offers are being shown right now. You can make it only desktop, only mobile, or only Android, etc. So you can see this is the first offer. Install the RoboKiller app, and the payout is $0.38, and the sort is 1.14, and net profit is everyone else's performance network wide on this is 20%. Net CR is average network wide conversion rate is 13.45, which is okay. And net EPC, average network wide earning per click revenue, is $0.106. So it is recently added, it has been added on December 23. So you can just go on and open it up, and here you can see this is the platform. You can just copy this link. This email must be verified to have access. Okay, so my email is not verified right now. You can verify it by going on to your inbox, and you are going to get an offer of, you're going to get an email from CPA Group. You can just verify that email, and you can continue starting making money. But what's going to happen is basically you're going to get a email address. You're going to get the link of this RoboKiller right here, and you can access that, and you can open that up onto your mobile, and you can go on and download it or install this app. And when you install it, you're going to, after you are done, you can just click on this. So when you are going to complete this, you're going to basically, it is going to be completed by you. You can go on and tell them that it's done, and they're going to give you money for that you have already made the installation of this app. So this is how you can easily make a bit of money through these kind of offers. You can basically get on and see other offers as well. For example, if you're in Australia, you can change your location, or you're going to get the offers that are only available in Australia. But when you are talking about these online offers like mobile install or something like that, they're sometimes available worldwide. So you can check all of the locations, and you can see the ones that you find fit, like this one, shop with Alibaba.com app. This is also mobile install, and you're going to get 0.21 payout out of it. Just click on that, and the offer is going to open up. And download now to get started. You can download Alibaba. You can mobile or Android install it, whatever you want. You can copy this link, you can paste it, and you're going to open it up. And when you are going to complete your task, when you're going to complete your installation using that link, then you're going to make money out of it. So you can also, what you can do other is that you can just go on and copy this link. You can go on and paste this link in your own blogs, on your TikTok videos description, in your Instagram video description. You can make other people install this app by your link, and you're going to make money from CPA Grip, and knowing that you have used that link, and you are basically making installations out of that. So you can earn money that way as well. So like for example, a minimal payout is 0.21%, but if 5% do this installation, then you're going to get a lot, 5 times more than 0.21%, $0.21. So you can just go on and ask other people and market this offer again and again, and you're going to make a lot of money out of it. This is how you can do it. So the other thing is basically you can just go on and add other your own offers as well, but you have to give money to people to market your products, or to try out your apps, or whatever you want. You can basically gain the net profit of your marketing, and you can basically market your product in a very easy and also very minimal, by paying a very minimal amount. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.